The U.S. Army has awarded a major $621 million contract to General Dynamics to expand its inventory of mobile air defense platforms, known as the Sergeant Stout systems. This new procurement package includes not only additional units but also spare parts and logistical support, reinforcing the Army's commitment to strengthening its short-range air defense (SHORAD) posture. This initiative will extend across both regular Army units and the National Guard, enhancing protection for ground forces against aerial threats in the evolving combat landscape. Sergeant Stout, the latest name given to what was formerly the M-SHORAD Increment 1 platform, is built on the 8-wheeled Stryker A1 vehicle. The system is engineered to intercept and neutralize enemy drones, helicopters, and low-flying projectiles. It is already operational in several battalions and is being incrementally rolled out to additional units. The program's expansion is slated for completion by the end of fiscal year 2028. Named in honor of Medal of Honor recipient Sergeant Mitchell William Stout, the system represents a modernized approach to battlefield air defense. General Dynamics Land Systems spearheads the vehicle integration, while Leonardo DRS supplies the sensor and targeting package. The core armament features the Moog RIWP turret, mounting a 30mm XM914 cannon from Northrop Grumman, a 7.62mm M240 machine gun, and a launcher for Stinger missiles. Originally, the system included 2 Longbow Hellfire missiles, however, those were later removed due to operational concerns, leading to an increase in the Stinger missile capacity from 4 to 8. Initially, the Army aimed to field 162 Sergeant Stout systems, enough for 4 battalions plus additional units for training and evaluation. As of mid-2025, 3 battalions have already received the system, and a 4th is in the process of activation at Fort Liberty. The longer-term plan could see the deployment of up to 361 systems across as many as 8 battalions, depending on future funding. Funding for these efforts includes nearly $70 million earmarked for the continuation of Increment 1 and over $200 million dedicated to the research and development of the more advanced Increment 3 variant. Increment 3 will incorporate the next-generation short-range interceptor, NGSRA, being developed in parallel by Raytheon and Lockheed Martin. These new interceptors aim to surpass the capabilities of the current Stinger missiles, offering greater range, precision, and resistance to enemy jamming. Further enhancements under Increment 3 will pair the XM914 gun with the XM1223 airburst munitions, which provide programmable detonation options for optimized effectiveness against small drones, infantry, and lightly armored vehicles. A demonstration of this advanced version is scheduled for 2026, with full-scale production potentially beginning in 2027. The Army is also exploring laser-based solutions under the DE M-SHORAD program, which replaces missile launchers with a 50-kilowatt directed energy weapon developed by Raytheon. This high-energy laser system, installed on the same Stryker platform, has undergone real-world trials in the Middle East following successful range testing in the U.S. While early tests showed promising results against a variety of drone and indirect fire threats, operational feedback has pointed to challenges in live deployment conditions. The Army aims to complete full configuration refinements by 2026. The Sergeant Stout lineage began with a $1.2 billion contract in late 2020, covering the manufacture and integration of over 140 M-SHORAD systems. The first operational batch was deployed to Germany in 2021, replacing the aging Avenger systems and providing mobile air defense to Stryker brigade combat teams. The platform's strength lies in its blend of mobility, armor, and integrated targeting systems, allowing for both standalone operations and coordinated layer defense with other air defense assets. Interest in the system has extended beyond U.S. borders. India has shown active interest in acquiring the Stryker-based SHORAD platform to protect high-altitude regions like Ladakh. Bilateral defense talks and military visits in 2023 and 2024 confirmed India's intent, with discussions including options for initial foreign procurement followed by licensed domestic manufacturing under New Delhi's Make in India policy. If approved, this would mark a significant step in India's ongoing efforts to modernize its air defense forces and reduce reliance on outdated Soviet-era equipment. With ongoing upgrades, strategic partnerships, and expanded deployment, The Sergeant Stout system represents a critical leap forward in the Army's ability to counter near-term air threats on tomorrow's battlefield.